Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And what I want to do today is just show you a quick little clip, a glimpse, an insight to what we do in the options membership area. So if you're brand new to joining us, we do a lot of things with options. And in this video, I'm going to show you a quick little clip from the members section of what goes on and happens behind the scene. Now keep in mind, this quick clip is just truncated, so it's smaller. Whereas in the member section, you get the full video, and even some of the sessions we go ahead and do them live. So that way you get more insight on in depth. You can ask questions, and we can really cover some of the options topics more heavily, kind of based on the questions that you have and based on the market conditions. Now, if you want to join us in the options membership area, just go ahead and go to our website. You can go to tradersfly.com. And by the way, there we have a getting started page for options. You can also check out some of the freebies here, download a Greeks cheat sheet and much more. And go to the member section by clicking the membership area right there at the top. And that'll forward you to our website where you can see a couple of different memberships that we offer, like options, ideas, and strategies. And you can then click that button to learn more. And there's a video overview of what that membership's all about. Now, I hope you join us. That way you get some more insight, more in depth on your options trading. You can see some other strategies based on market conditions, gives you some ideas how you would manage things, maybe Q&As, and kind of like think of it like a discount Q&A session or a discount coaching session, because you could ask questions directly, and I'm more honed in and focused on you. Whereas maybe if we do live events on YouTube, sometimes comments and questions get buried in there, and then you don't really get a chance to a little bit of focus on you. So anyways, hope you join us. Thank you so much. Enjoy this quick little clip as we have in this video, and keep in mind that the members area gets the full version. So I really hope you join us by going to our website at tradersfly.com. So I'm going to use CMG because it's just basically the first kind of day or two, and it's already had earnings, that the stock is pulling back. Yes, today was a big day, but it doesn't mean it's not over. So if you're looking for a speculative, again, you're guessing, directional, it's not money every month, you're not focused on theta as much, this is how you set up a trade like this. So we go into CMG, and you have to kind of guess around the time frame. Just be aware that you could go ahead and get more time with this. I could start out with about 23 days. If you want to go 30, you can. You just pay a little bit more. It's not going to be that much more. It will be a little more, but it's not going to be that much more. Could you go 37? Yeah. Once you go too far, if you go a little too far, let's say 65 or 128 days, the problem with going too far is you don't have enough time decay to speed up or accelerate the process of theta. So in our case here, we're going to aim to go about 30 days. You could go 23, especially if it's starting, like the pullback is starting now, you could do 23 or even 16. If the pullback didn't start and you were kind of hovering around those high levels, you might go like 30, 37, 40, something like that. So anyways, let's say we go in around the 23-day mark in our case. And I'm interested in this thing pulling back. Now, where do I choose my strikes? I'm going to go ahead and set up a butterfly trade idea. I'm going to go ahead and choose my area kind of more around the 30 level. And why 30? Because I just need it to kind of touch. I don't need it to really get into there and stay there. I just need it to kind of touch, and 30 is a pretty good area there. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. What I'm going to do is construct a butterfly around that 30, let's say the 840 level, by a butterfly. Okay, so here I've got a butterfly. Okay, I'll spread the wings a little bit. Okay. All right, so we've got this. So all I'm looking for this stock to do is just to head a little bit lower. So I'm risking about $513 for it to just come back in this level. And the whole point behind it is just to go ahead and get a little bit of time decay going. And then if it pulls back, boom, you're in the sweet spot. You can make 20, 30, 40, 50%. So that's kind of what you might be looking at. It just depends when. And you're not risking a lot. Could you risk less? Yes, you could just tighten up these strikes, go to like 860 and 820 right here. And now I've risked way less, and I've risked only $157. So as this pulls back, of course you'd make less, but that's all you're looking for. But look at the range. That's the one thing with butterflies lately. And that I like butterflies in these kinds of markets is because you're not putting up a lot of capital. And with volatility being so high, you want to be very careful with how much money and cash you're putting up. So here you've got a bleed. This is called the bleed, and you were going way outside your range on your profit picture. So with that bleed, as you look for here this butterfly to keep acting, as long as you kind of go ahead and go into that range, it doesn't have to go in there and expire. If you just get a pullback of 10, 20, 30, 40 or 50 points, so about 50 points, you could make about $200 on $157 invested, again, with time decay. And I would say that this, when you're looking at it, 50, 60 points is not too bad, considering one day you can do 30. If you get just 2 days of that in the next 30 days or so, then all of a sudden you're good, and this trade could be very profitable and successful. So we're looking at around the 840 level, but really we only need to get down to 860. So 860 is right around here, almost where this support is. 830 would be somewhere about here. So as long as it just pulls back a little bit relative to its range, this is pretty good, and that would be kind of that gap fill. So I like kind of something like this trade idea and strategy in these kinds of conditions, simply because you've got a big range. You can really define your risk here, 157. If it doesn't work against you, and it starts moving up, let's say it goes to 950 or 940, you could be down about 40, 50 bucks, even $60, but that's not big when you look at the, that's coming in way up there. It's not a lot of money compared to the position size of what you're doing. So, of course, you're just looking at, hey, is it worth even taking off the trade? Sometimes when it gets way out here, like let's say it hops to 1,000, probably not. If it just moved up, let's say, 30, 40 points, yeah, of course, you could just take it off. Yes, some commissions are a little more, but just take it off, and you could reattempt it on another trade. All right, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, quick clip, and some insights on what we do kind of in the members section of the options segment. Keep in mind, if you're brand new to just getting started, go check out the options trading start here section on our website at tradersfly.com, or you could go to the freebie section where you could go ahead and download quite a lot of other cheat sheets, worksheets, mini video courses, and things that I'm working on for you guys. And if you want to join us in the members area, go to the membership section right up here on the navigation bar. You'll be then taken to our members website, and that's where you can see the options, ideas and strategies membership plan, and you can get a big overview of what it's really all about as well with a video there. So thanks again for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, or of course, go ahead and join the newsletter list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, courses, products, books, and maybe even join us on our live video session from time to time. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.